The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Thomas County in northwestern Kansas until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Colby, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Thomas County. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Thomas, Kansas,